Good morning and Jai Hind. Today I will be explaining our PPT on topic why was the state of Indian Union had a special status. Article 370 of the Indian Constitution gave a special status to Jammu and Kashmir, which was administered by India as a state from 1954 to 31st October 2019. When India and Pakistan got freedom from the British rule, Jammu and Kashmir refused to join any of the country and wanted to remain as an independent nation. Maharaja Hari Singh was the king of Jammu and Kashmir at that time. Azad Kashmir forces backed by Pakistan attacked Jammu and Kashmir on 20th October 1947. Maharaja Hari Singh asked India for help as they were not able to protect themselves. India agreed to help if Jammu and Kashmir acceded to India and an instrument of accession was signed between on 26 October 1947. On 17 October 1949, the Indian Constituent Assembly adopted Article 370 of the Constitution. It clearly states that the provisions of this article with respect to the state of Jammu and Kashmir were temporary and not permanent. Advantages of Article 370 are finally, it is one nation, one constitution. Business becomes more integrated and prosperous in Jammu and Kashmir. It boosts the Jammu and Kashmir economy. People can now access to basic facilities. Disadvantages are no outsider is allowed to purchase land in Jammu and Kashmir. It is difficult for outsiders to establish business in Kashmir. There is no population blast like in Delhi. There is low crime rate but very high terrorism. Kashmir economy suffers loss of rupees 17,878 crore in 4 months of restrictions and shutdown in the valley following abrogation in Article 370. Article 370 bore great symbolic and psychological significance for Kashmiris. The economy of Jammu and Kashmir was predominantly dependent on agriculture. Core sectors of the economy of Jammu and Kashmir have witnessed a steep decline after the abrogation of Article 370. By the October 31st, 2019, the government released the new map of India with 28 states and 9 districts. Jammu and Kashmir split it into two parts, that is Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh. Jammu and Kashmir had reorganized the areas of these 14 districts into 28 districts. The Leh district of the new Union Territory of Ladakh has been defined in the Jammu and Kashmir reorganization. At last, I would say that abrogation of Article 370 is legal and it will surely help the people of Jammu and Kashmir. It gives feeling of one nation through single citizenship. Thank you.